THG is a technology business. We have our own brands which are predominantly in beauty and nutrition and luxury fashion. So brands like MyProtein, Dermstore and Perricone MD. And they're brands that we own. And then we work with a whole array of clients globally. Every decision that we make is very much driven by data. Data underpins a huge amount of the AI initiatives that we've been delving into since 2016. So anything like personal recommendations, semantic search is driven through data. We've done a lot with regards to automated forms that can be used within customer care to really speed up our responses to customers. And then things like digital assistants or conversational bots using AI to actually provide solutions.
What we do with AI is vast. Now, one of those things where the data really runs away with is one of our fraud models. That model for us is ensure that we can reduce the risk and the fraud exposure that we have by about 90%.
So we went with the Evergreen solution because it gave us that flexibility to be able to burst the capacity, not have to go and buy and invest in a big storage array if that wasn't what was needed.
Another benefit is an 80% reduction in power usage across our data centers. That equates to hundreds of thousands of pounds a year in savings just by putting in non-spinning disks. We've tried to do other things, but at no point in time have I ever been able to say, you know what, there's something as simple to use as Pure.
Obviously, we want fast, scalable storage, that goes without saying. But one of the main reasons we work with Pure is because we have a fantastic relationship with them. We're very culturally aligned. We're able to work with them on problems that we have, issues we have, opportunities that we have. I feel very passionately about the relationship that we have with Pure, as well as the great technology.